Hi everybody, it's Marcy, and we have now finished Dear Julie and Cara Brandon's collaboration, the 5 Days of Valentine's Digis, and I wanted to do a quick video to show you the little journal I put together. It's not a big journal, but I'm pleased with it using all the items that I made. So here's the cover, which you've seen before. Fabric with some batting underneath it to give it a little fluffiness. And this was from Dear Julie and Cara Brandon, and some napkin, all sorts of lacy stuff. And then we've got that. I need to glue that a little better. Here I just used a piece of note paper and added this from a Dear Julie postcard with some Cara Brandon collage paper behind it. This from the top of the postcard, again with some Cara Brandon paper behind it. Here I've just got a little piece of card tucked into this envelope flap and put a little Dear Julie embellishment on it. This could be good for writing. And here's my tracing paper envelope. Pull it off, and I just tucked a little card inside there. Get this put back together real quick. I apologize. And then here I just put down a heart-shaped doily, so you've got half the heart here. And on this side, I enlarged one of Cara Brandon's tags and then tore it and put it on the edge of the paper with some heart stenciling behind it. Here I made kind of a rough little side tuck with some fabric and lace with just some hand stitching on it. Just kind of a messy side tuck, and we've got a card inside there. Here we've got our envelope, Dear Julie's flinch cards, the envelope with Dear Julie closure with a couple of little journaling cards inside there. Okay, then over here, of course, we've got Dear Julie's library card pocket that I put over the edge of the page with our tag on this side and our tag on this side. And here I've used some wrapping paper, and I've just backed it with some of Dear Julie's avocado dyed paper stitched around it. Here we've got pockets with a little card in it and another tag in it. And here we've got the little top tucks that I'd made, I believe on day 1, and I've just tucked the little card inside here. And on this side, we've got another top tuck with a couple of little cards inside there, and the little cards here that I'd made. We've got another pocket with another little card and a tag. And here I put this card down as a little pocket, so of course you can lift it up and have all sorts of journaling space, with another little Dear Julie card and another little Dear Julie card. Here I just made a little bottom corner tuck and put this postcard in it. And here I've got where I was using Dear Julie Julie's ticket here, the tall ticket, and I just tucked a little tag in there, flip it open with some journaling space, and I left a little pocket there, and I just stuck some note paper in there. Just glued down a couple of little embellishments. Since I used mostly book pages, I just wanted to add a couple of little embellishments just to give something to look at on the page. And here's the other half of that enlarged tag from Cara Brandon. Same thing, stenciled hearts. The other part of the doily. Here, same thing. I just used one of the little leftover embellishment pieces and put it on the book page just to give it a little dressing. And here we've got this bottom corner tuck that I'd made with the little notebook inside. So just some simple writing papers. And I put a little embellishment on the top of that page right there. And here again, I took one of my note papers and covered it with a little bit of scrapbook paper and then some of Cara Brandon's collage page, just to make it match the journal a little better than what was originally on it. And that is the last page. So a really small journal, but I'm pretty pleased with it. And I do believe I used everything from both kits. I'm pretty sure I couldn't find, unless I lost something, I couldn't find any leftovers. So I really enjoyed this 5-day project. I loved these little collaborations. It's so much fun to see what everybody else has done. Be sure to check out both Dear Julie Julie, Cara Brandon. I'm going to leave their Etsy shops below, their YouTube channels below. Plus, I'm going to go ahead and add the list of everybody else that I know of that has a YouTube channel that participated in this, so you can watch their videos as well. Until next time, everyone, please be safe, stay healthy, happy crafting, and I will talk to you soon. Bye-bye.